Hello and welcome back and welcome back and welcome back to our technique series. We having 4 flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and those 4 flats are B flat, E flat, A flat, B flat. So let's learn them together. Practically they're almost all the black keys, but not this one. Okay? So, and the scale, the major scale that has 4 flats is A flat major. You will have it a link into the description, and then please go and practice that one, because that's how you learn the flats, practicing that one. That would be the A flat major, playing all these flats, right? So right now we're gonna go 3 half steps down. Should I go here? A flat. 3 half steps down, it will be F minor. And F minor, we will just go F, G, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, E flat, F. You see how I'm going? I'm gonna give you another little clue, because this F minor, it does somehow has the same fingering in this situation with F major, right? So I would really be very happy if you go and check that one as well, and just not go straight into F minor, because you're gonna get much easier with the fingering. It's not that hard to play with both hands, but as you can see right now we're having 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's first a set of 4 and then 3, right? And then we will end with finger number 4 to the end, right? If we wanna go 2 octaves, then you gotta, after doing 1, 2, 3 here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, ending in 4. So it's pretty much this little exercise, and F, this, so you just gotta learn that. The left hand, though, it does have the same fingering like in every C major scale. E flat, F, E flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F. Let me go here, maybe the camera could catch it easier. A flat, B flat, C, B flat, E flat, F, E flat, B flat, C. As you can see, I'm playing all the flats, but not this one. I'm playing all this, but not that one. Going both hands, it's really, really easy for 1 octave. You see, it's kind of going parallel, same thing. To play the 4 here, sorry, on G. You cannot miss it. 3 here on the right hand. Right? So this is how it goes natural. And I'm gonna go harmonic. Harmonic, E flat, the 7th key, so F, F to F, the 7th key is this one, that you're supposed to play it flat. Right now you're gonna play it natural, so you're gonna have a little thinky here. So learn this interval here. Practice each hand at a time. go even more than 2 octaves, just because you can go 3 octaves, you can go 4 octaves as well. You just repeat the same thing, okay? So this would be the F minor harmonic, right? So what is coming right now, it's F minor melodic. I'm just gonna go a little tiny bit on it, but before you do that, you don't even need to do that. You know, the beginners definitely, they don't need to do that. Do stop the video right now and practice F harmonic, right? And watch it next, okay? So how is harmonic? So we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these 2 keys that they were D flat and E flat, that they were flats before, yes, we will play them regular natural. Really? Yeah, we'll play natural as white keys, going up only and then going down. We're gonna come back to the harmonic way. So and then you go back, very wavy. Yeah, it feels like a little darkish mode for me, you know, very dramatic as well. Alright, anyhow, so I hope you did have a lot of fun and you're gonna feel much smarter if you practice and practice again. The study of the scales goes for years. You don't need to do them all. You might want to do 1 scale every month or something like that. But enjoy the process because it's really good. All right, so next time we're gonna go to 5 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna have B flat minor. Ooh, it sounds really complicated. But guess what? It's not, because we already did it into the sharp way. So B flat minor, it's an harmonic with A sharp minor. So it's like, yes, we already know it. We already know it, so I'm happy. I'll see you next time and practice. Don't forget, like, if you like, please like. And subscribe. We need subscribers so we can share to the world all this knowledge. So you will make me happy. Alright? So have a great week and see you in the next one. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, you know, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm going to have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you will find the link below, in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me, one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way, you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.